One of the most common complaints about Java is that you need to write a lot of code for a class to be useful. Consider an example where you need to create an immutable class called order model. Even for this simple class to be useful, we have to add a public constructor, getter methods, toString method, hashCode method, and equals method. These methods are usually boring and repetitive. Also, these methods can be generated using IDE or some external libraries. But from Java perspective, previously we didn't have any feature to support this under Java 14. Now in Java 14 we have a feature called records, which is a new kind of a class in Java language. Using records, we can declare a small group of variables which can be treated as a new kind of entity. Here in this example, I have created a record called order record using the keyword record followed by a group of variables. We can create an instance of record just like we do for a class. Here I have a class called testRecord with a main method, and in that I am creating an instance of order record using new keyword followed by passing its property values. Then I will print the name of the order and order instance using system.out.print. After running the code, you can see the output in the terminal. There are also other things we can do inside a record. For example, we can add a constructor, we can declare instance method, we can declare static methods or fields. We can also implement interface, but we cannot extend classes. We can have nested records. We can use annotation with records variable. Also, records work well with the seal types. For example, here we have a seal interface base order which permits only order record. So that's all about record feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscriber button along with the bell button. Thank you.